Get the ball rolling with decluttering. It's myOrganized.life live 9/9/2019.
Yes. 9/9/19.
9/9/19. Just say that
Cool.
fast.
9/9/19. 9/9/19. 9/9/19. 9/9/19. There we go.
There we go. Welcome to myOrganized.life on 9/9/19. I'm John Hunt.
And I'm Leanne Thompson.
This is the show where we give you organizing tips, advice, and talk about decluttering a lot.
And getting the ball rolling.
Getting the ball rolling. Why is it that people are so...
It's hard.
Why are people so cluttered up in their lives?
Because people collect stuff.
And they don't get rid of it.
They don't get rid of it.
Right.
And it's hard for people to get rid of.
It's like, you have getting organized is one thing, but decluttering is just like, you can't really get organized until you declutter, right?
You know what? I'm going to tell a story. I'm going to shout out to my dad for a second here.
Yes?
They have a bunch of moving boxes at their house.
Yes.
So they said I could go and get some.
Yeah.
So I went and got some, and he's got this huge garage.
Yep.
And he had all these new moving boxes, very organized,
Yeah.
behind some plywood, so they're stacked up nicely. On top of this boxes was their old mailbox. They just got a mailbox a couple months ago.
A different kind of box. Yeah?
Yes, rusted. The top was all rusted. And it was in my way, so I just set it aside. And I said to my mom, I go, why are you guys keeping your mailbox?
Yes.
She goes, I don't know. Dad won't get rid of it.
Yeah.
And so I yelled at him. I'm like, get rid of it. What are you going to do with it?
Yeah.
No, he kept it. He put it up in the attic in the garage.
Wow. Well,
It's like, you're just going to have to move that again someday.
I was going to say, maybe there's some like memorabilia value, but not
a mailbox,
not
no.
a rusted mailbox.
No,
Okay,
you need to get rid of it now.
Yes. Okay.
Not later.
Well, you're going to help
Get the ball rolling.
You're going to help declutter those boxes, aren't you? Because you're going to be using those to move, aren't you?
Yes. Oh my gosh. Yes. Talk about getting the ball rolling.
Yes.
This clip we're going to watch about
Yeah.
starting small. That's what I had to do when we were starting to pack up our house, because it's a big job.
It is a big job. So what we're referring to is a clip we're going to show you here from podcast number 189. So if you go to sme.com/podcast, scroll down. Julie Ulmer was kind of talking about quick wins.
Yep.
In
decluttering.
In decluttering, but really, getting started, getting the ball rolling is
the low-hanging fruit.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's really the key. So let's see what she had to say about that.
Identify some of those pieces of low-hanging fruit.
Okay.
For instance, scratched sunglasses, ill-fitting shoes, mostly burnt-out candles, the freebie swag that you get when you run a 5K marathon or you go to a conference, stained flat pillows. Anything that's been broken for more than 6 months. If you haven't fixed it in 6 months, what are the chances that you really are going to fix it? Food storage containers that don't have matching lids, anything expired, food, medication, technology, cosmetics, ancient cleaning supplies. I can't tell you how many homes I've been in, and of course the cleaning supply cupboard, whether it's under the sink or wherever it is usually very well jam-packed, but so often there's things in there that are so old. People have said to me, well, I got those from my parents when they were downsizing. Some of those cleaning supplies, I think after 10, 20 years, might be time to let some of those go. So those are some of the physical things that I encourage people to start with, just to get that sense of getting the ball going here. We're really moving forward.
Okay, there you go.
That's funny. A lot of the things she mentions, I did. I mean, yesterday I went through the medicine cabinet, I can't believe how many expired things, expired spices, and the containers without the lids. It's like, you let it get piled up, and
why is that?
I don't know. And then you open the container cupboard and it's like topples out on you. Yeah. Well, no wonder, because you've got 5 lids and only 3 containers.
I bought, by the way, there's my story from the weekend.
What did you buy?
I bought some
Rubbermaid containers?
Well, they're not Rubbermaid. We were at this cool little store with the Mall of America. I don't even know what the theme is, because it's feels like one of those little gift shoppy kinds of. Anyway, they have this little lunch box, a Tupperware, but it's got 2 levels. On the top, it's got kind of like
it's like a tackle box type.
It's kind of like a tackle box for your lunch box. Yeah, so you can put your main dish below and your salad on top in these little compartments.
Well, that's pretty neat.
It is very neat. So I brought it today for the first time.
And does it go in the fridge, or is it insulated?
Well, you can for example, today at lunch here's what I had to do. I had to take the salad tray out and put the other thing in the microwave to warm it up, because it was a warm dish.
Okay.
But then you can use the salad tray as your little plate, and this is It's a great deal. It was a great lunch.
Wow. Well, you should have invited me over to look at it, but
okay.
I didn't get the invitation to your office.
Well, if you want to see the messy one, because I take it home and
I'm interested to see how that cleans up, because if the salad tray, that does come out.
It comes out, and we can put it right in the dishwasher. So anyway, we digress.
Yeah,
but
that's okay.
Anything to get organized. That's what we're all about here.
Exactly.
So this week, big news.
Oh, I forgot until now. Yep, I know.
Season 7 of our podcast, which was featured in the New York Times, by the way.
Have you mentioned that before?
I think I mentioned it on Friday.
I think so, you did.
Yes. But anyway, we kick off this Wednesday with Debbie Rosemont.
Yes.
So tune in for that. We always release the podcast live here on Facebook at 2 p.m. Central, 3 Eastern, noon Pacific, and then a few minutes later, it gets onto YouTube and goes up to iTunes, and you can get it everywhere. You can get it audio or video. But we're almost to 300 shows.
I know.
Isn't that amazing?
Yeah, that's really something. Yeah. I can't really believe it. But
so we're having fun.
Time flies when you're having fun.
And we also teased on Friday about
that was so long ago.
Maybe
a studio
maybe
set.
Moving. We're gonna move from this brick room to somewhere else.
Yes.
Well, actually, we'll be right here, but
it's an illusion.
We'll see what our
I wonder if the tree will remain the same, or if that will get chopped down.
Well, maybe we'll cut another window into a different wall or something. You never know.
The possibilities are endless.
Yeah, we might take and fill that hole.
Yep.
And put something else on there.
You never know.
With our set designer now we have on staff. Can't wait to see what she comes up with.
Yep.
Okay, so you better come back tomorrow. You never know. There may be more information available then. 2 p.m. Central, 3 Eastern, noon Pacific. It is myOrganized.life live. New solutions for your desktop from myOrganized.life. Fall is a time for a change in colors, and now you can brighten up your desktop with organizing products from myOrganized.life. Colorful, fresh, invigorating. Give your desktop a new look with new desktop solutions from myOrganized.life. That's myOrganized.life. myOrganized.life.